Good morning, all of you. Today, I have started grammar topic. Grammar topic is very easy for each and every. So, we'll see. First of all, I will introduce myself. I am Wasim Khan, teaching English subject for 11th and 12th standard. So, today's topic is grammar. My topic name is that tense. So, topic name is that. First of all, we'll see about that simple sentence. In English, we can see that very particular and easy words were there when we are going to connect the words that we can make it the sentence. So first of all, to think about the tense, first of all we think about that the sentence. So first one is that the sentence. What do you mean that sentence? A group of words which makes complete sense is called sentence. Here, sentence is a group of words. One is that a group of words. Group of words means so many words are there. For example, we can see that apple, bat, ball, cricket. We are going to see that various words are there. We are going to connect a group of words. For example, that classroom is there. So that group is there, fan is there, blackboard is there, benches are here, students are here. So this one is the group of words which makes complete sense. So we can understand about that the sensation. So just I have told you, bench is there, students are here, blackboard is here, desk is here. So you can understand about that. We can get the sensation. So this one is the campus of that the area of the school, area of the class. Students are here. So we can understand about the area. So we can get the sensation, complete sensation. It's called a set. So just like that, boys study in the class. For example, students, students study in the students study in the classroom. One sentence I have written. Students study in the classroom. See, here we can understand about that the students are here study, they are studying in the classroom. So you can understand about the subject. This one is the subject. Because the word has started with a subject, particular subject. If we have started, that we can understand about the subject. Study is that word because it indicates some action has been done over there. Some procedure has been done over there. Students study in the classroom. The classroom is that object. That means that preparation. So subject plus verb plus object. Student study in the class. We can understand about that. Students mean that those students have come over there. They are prepared to get the knowledge, to acquire the knowledge. This one is that the students study in the class. Subject plus verb plus object equal to sentence. Subject plus verb plus object equal to. So this one is the sentence pattern is there. Every sentence is going to make that subject plus verb plus object. Without subject, without verb, without object, we cannot make the sentence. So this one is the formula of that the sentence. If we understood the sentence, afterwards we will turn toward the tense. So first of all is that just I have reminded you a group of words which makes complete sense. If a group of words with so many words are there, students is there, study is there, classroom is there. So we have gathered and we have arranged this word systematically in proper way, systematic way, grammatical way. If we are arranged these words, that time we can make the sentence. And afterwards we have read the complete sense, a group of words. Here group of words are there. Students is one word, study is that second word, in the classroom is that in third, the fourth, and fifth word is classroom. So fifth words we have gathered here. We have collected fifth words. Students study in the classroom. So if we have gathered all five words, that time we can get the. So if you understood the words, words are very important. Words make the building. Words make the building of the sentence. If we understood the words, you will understand the sentence. And if you understand the sentence grammatically, you will construct the sentences in proper sequence. Subject plus verb plus object equal to. If you understood this sequence of the grammatical way, you can understand the text. So, is it clear, first of all, that you understood about that the sentence, afterward that the complete sensation of that the sentence, and afterward that the collection of the words. Now, we are going to convert that, we will come to the tense. Now, we will going to think about the tense. What is meaning of the tense? It is not the tension. Tense means that three tenses are there. We can see in Marathi also, we can see in Hindi also, and now we are going to see the same topic that tense, that we can understand the situation at which time the situation has happened. For example, tense means that here, first of all, that simple is this Simple present. Simple present tense. How we can understand about the simple present tense? Very simple situation is that where grammatically way, when subject plus verb addition to yes or yes plus object. Verb addition yes or yes. That time the sentence is in the simple present. For example, we can see he studies, he studies, he studies in the classroom. He studies in the classroom. So you can understand about that. Only some changes are there. He is that third person singular number. Study is that verb. But here addition of that is study. Studies in the classroom is that the object. So subject here verb is that verbs addition. Yes or yes plus object. So he studies in the classroom. If you understood subject plus verb plus yes or yes plus object equal to that the sentence. Same pattern we have followed to take the help of the sentence. He studies in the classroom. He studies in the classroom. Suppose I study in the classroom. I study in the. So this sentence is that simple because first person singular number is that I. First person singular number I. First person plural number is that we. First person, second person, third person, afterward that singular and plural. First person is that I is there, second person is that plural we is there, second person you is there, second person plural you is there, and third person he he you have used only for male person. She you can use for the female person, feminine. Here masculine gender, feminine gender, and neuter. And here we can use for the. Here you can understand about that he, she, that plural is that they come that. In this way, the sequence is there. If you understood the sequence properly, if you understand the sequence properly, you can understand all these. Which we have first of all this table you should understand. First person only for single person. I study in the class. I. Afterward that you study in the class. You study you study in the class. So we study in the class. We study. So here we can understand only We have changed their subjects. All these are the subjects. All these are the only we have changed when the third person singular number is there. Here we will add only verb yes or no. Here we will add only verb yes or singular. Otherwise, you have to write it same only for this third person. I study in the classroom. We study in the classroom. You study in the classroom. You study in the classroom. He studies. He studies. Only here added verb. Verb yes or addition for he studies in the classroom, she studies in the classroom. Afterward that she studies in the classroom. Only it studies it never comes to that because it mostly we can use for the third person or the neutral. Neutral means that no one is studying he studies in the classroom. So he, she, it. We can use directly verb plus yes or no. So in this way, simple present tense you have understood about that. First person singular number, first person plural number, second person singular number, second person plural number, and third person plural number. We cannot add or verb anything. Directly we can write it. Like I study in the classroom, you study in the classroom, we study in the classroom, they study in the classroom. They in this way, very simple is there. Simple present means what is your habitual action, daily routine. He gets up early in the morning, he comes to the college regularly, he does his work very sincerely, he gets up early in the morning, he goes at his bed at proper time. So you can understand about habitual action. What did do? I get up, I take my breakfast, I take my dinner, I take my lunch, I attend the program, I come from my home. So in this way, you can understand about that very simple sentence. So very habitual action. What did we do? What did we do in our day-to-day life? That comes in the simple present. That comes into the simple present. Habitual action. For example, the sun rises early in the morning. The sun sets in the evening time. So you can utilize these sentences in our day-to-day life. I read a newspaper. I study hard. I read the English text. So in this way, you can understand about that what type of the words, what type of the verbs we have been utilized, and we have used these words in our day-to-day life. He comes to the college. So in this way, all these sentences come into the simple present. Simple present is a simple situation. And what is the habitual action? That habitual action, it presents, it reflects to us what is the situation of the time. What is the situation of that time? So we can use it that simple present. So have you understood about the simple present? Only keep it in your remembering point is that in your mind. Remember, only simple present tense you can use it first person, second person, and third person plural. We cannot use, we cannot add word any type of the situation. Only we have to add third person singular number is that he, she, we have to add it that verb yes or yes. Only keep it these things you have to remember in your mind. If you have remembered properly, only changes are there in the simple present tense. That's only that addition to the third person verb yes or yes. So I have written here subject plus verb plus yes plus object. If you have followed this properly grammatical rule, so that sentence can identify easily the sentence coming to the simple present. So you can use it. So many sentences we have seen it there, and you can make it the example of that. Now you have to write it in your notebook. Write five types of simple present tense in your notebook. Right? That here, that first question is that write five sentences of simple present. Write five sentences of simple present. This one is the exercise number one. This one is the exercise number one. So you can, when the topic will be over, you can complete it that yourself. If you are written that I or 10, if you are written the 10, no problem. 5 or 10, then there is option. Is it clear? Have you any doubt about that simple present tense? I think so. I have cleared your ideas how to identify the simple present tense. Simple present tense, you should identify when the sentence, when the verb will add yes or yes. Better. When you will add verb yes or yes, you can easily identify that the simple present. Only keep it in your mind when you add verb yes or yes, that tense is called a simple. Is it clear? That's one in the exercise. Now we are going to see that next tense is that next tense is that simple past tense. Simple past tense. How you will identify the simple past tense? If the situation has done before or before some time, if the action has completed before some time, that tense is called as simple. Action has done, action has done something. Action has completed. Action has completed before some time. If the action has completed before some time, before some previous time, 10 minutes before, one an hour before, you can see that the action has completed. Action has completed. This word is very important. Action has finished. Action has finished. Action has completed before some time. Sometimes means that before 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, you can see that sometime. So, have you understood that tense come into the simple part? For example, I studied, I studied in the classroom yesterday's lecture. Yesterday, here, one example I have written here. I studied in the classroom yesterday's lecture. Now here you can see that I studied in the classroom yesterday's lecture. Here you cannot get it any idea. Which topic, for example, here we can see that simple present tense. Just like that, we can see that here we can see that simple present tense. Therefore, you have studied simple present tense in yesterday's lecture. Here he has written, I studied in the classroom yesterday's lecture. I studied in the classroom yesterday's lecture. Which topic? That topic was simple past, simple present tense, simple present tense. I have studied. Here you can understand about that. Only here addition verb plus ed, verb plus ed. When the sentence will be added, verb plus ed, that sentence will come into the simple part. What is that? Simple. Uh, Only you have to understand about that verb plus ed. When you understand that verb plus ed, that is called as simple past. So I studied in the classroom yesterday's lecture. I studied in the classroom yesterday's lecture. That what you have studied, I studied simple present tense in the classroom yesterday. I studied means already you have studied. I studied simple present tense in the classroom yesterday. Means you can understand now that I studied. Already I have seen, already I have referred, already I have observed. Whatever you have done it, that situation has been happened. That situation has been happened, come into the simple. Simple past tense can identify verb plus ed. If you understand that the verb and added ed, that is in the simple. For example, I saw a movie. I saw a, I saw a movie. I went to the I went to the market. Here, some verbs are there. Here, not added ed, not added ed. So you will think of that. I saw the movie. It is not like that because we have seen verb see. Verb is that saw. That verb is that see. See, saw, see. So verb is that see. Second form is that Verb second form is that saw, and verb third form is that. So verb already. I see my book. I see my book today. I saw my book yesterday. Not only that, approach will be because we are going to study verb second form. Verb second form we are going to study about that the simple past tense. If we understood about the simple past tense means that action has been done before some time. Before some time the action has been happened. We can understand about that simple past tense. Only you have to observe verb second form. When is that also same thing is there when. So that go is there verb. Afterward that when. Afterward that one. Verb first form is that go. Verb second form is that when. And verb third form is that go. If you understand about that, this technique, this ideology, these tricks, you can easily identify that simple past. Only you have to be master on that verb second. Verb second. If you know verb second form, you can easily understand about that. If you have observed, studied, saw, when I look through my window. I look through my window, you can see that the simple past tense is there. So you can easily find it. You can easily identify about that simple past tense. If you understand about that second form is of the simple past tense, you can see that the second verb second. If you understand about the verb second form, you can easily understand about the simple past tense. Only remember that. Remember what is here. Verb second form will be added in the simple past tense. Only you should be concentrate here verb. Verb is very important. If you understand the verb and that the action has done in previous time or before some time, that we can understand about the thing. Otherwise, you cannot understand the verb, you cannot understand the second form of the verb, you will not identify that. Identify that. You will not identify that. Remember only verb second form will be added in the simple form. So it is very easy to identify the simple form. So exercise number 2 is that exercise number 2. Write five verbs with their second form. Write five verbs with their second form. I on 10. So second exercise is that you have to be right properly 5 to 10 words you have to select throughout our English textbook. You can open it that the English textbook. You can see it that sentences, so many sentences are there. You can select it 5 or 10 words with that verbs. It will be added for the second one. You have to write it as the second form of verbs. If you will identify the 5 or 10 words, which one will come into the words? So you will identify the second 10. I think so that simple past tense I have cleared it that I got up early in the morning yesterday. I studied English subject. I saw a movie. Second form, I read a book. I played on the ground. So many words are there, so many verbs are there, and you can arrange that the sequence of the sentences through the simple past. Simple past tense means action has done previous sometime. Previous sometimes means that you can understand of the verb ed sometimes second form you can see that I drank a glass of milk. I drank a glass of milk before 2 hours. So I got up early in the morning. I got up early in the morning. I studied. I took my breakfast. I prepared for my college. I came from my home. I caught the bus. I aparted from that the place and I got the bus and I came to my college. All this situation has been happened before sometimes. What we had seen is that we can see it. The example of that is easy. Suppose you got up early in the morning, and what type of the action now? What time is it now? Now it is that 11:10. We to get up early in the morning, suppose 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, up to 11 o'clock. What did we do? Sometime before. Before some time, what did you do? Yes, before. What did you do? What type of the action? What type you have done? That you have done it, that work that you should refer in the simple. Is it clear? Suppose any doubt is there, you can see it there. Only I remind that once again, subject plus verb second form plus object. Subject plus verb second form plus object. I saw very easy, simple sentence, very easy. I is the subject, see past tense saw is there, and afterward that movie. A movie is that the object. So a movie means that you can see, take it various words, you can use it in this sentence. I saw here I went to the market. I went to the market means before I have prepared to go for the market and I have done it. Whatever I have selected the things from the market, you can write. I collected, I saw, I purchased two vegetables. So you can write it here. Next one is that I looked through my window. Sometime before, I looked. Have you seen a thief? He had seen, I saw 15 minutes before, I saw half an hour before, I saw 1 an hour before, I saw a thief. So in this way, I look a thief. So what did you do? In this way, you can do it. Okay, sir. Done. Huh?